Hi there. Yesterday I read a news in the newspaper that a Palestinian boy who was only 17 years of age, an athlete, a sports boy, who died out of hunger and thirst. He passed away yesterday. He was murdered. This boy was 70 kgs of weight, which dropped to 25 kgs of weight when he passed away, when he died, when he was murdered. This actually triggered me last night. It propelled me to write a poem. I'm sharing with you this poem of mine, a poem entitled Song, S-A-N-S, Song, written by Rizwan Jamil. A sportsman at 17 dies of hunger, starvation, and thirst. A sportsman at 17 dies of hunger, starvation, and thirst. What could be more dire, if not that worst? A tragic fall from 70 kg to 25 kg. No one can believe. A tragic fall from 70 kg to 25 kg. No one can believe. Only a tormenting sigh we can heave. This is 2025. Would you imagine? This is 2025. Would you imagine? The entire world is gazing. Saw passion, saw relation, saw dregs of imagination. Humanity breathes its last. Certitudes dead. Humanity breathes its last. Certitudes dead. Palestinians gory, saw hospital bed. Living dead nations boasting of peace. Living dead nations boasting of peace. Literate nations are mentally obese. Where is this little planet heading towards? Where is this little planet heading towards? Always be merciful are God's words. Regardless of religion, caste, or creed. Regardless of religion, caste, or creed. Sweet fruits of peace is all we need. Let not God's wrath show its worst. Let not God's wrath show its worst. Whence nations cursed, heavens burst. Let not God's wrath show its worst. Whence nations cursed, heavens burst. 4th August 2025. God be with you.